Hey, Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I am doing the unbagging of my December IPSY Glam bag because I forgot to do it and now we're going to have some back to back. So anyway, if you're interested to see what I got, then just keep on watching. I have waited entirely too long to film this, but I'm doing it. So you might get two glam bag videos pretty close together. I just kind of put it off and didn't necessarily, I don't know, have the energy to do it. But this is my December IPSY Glam bag. I know for an add-on, I got this, so we'll start there. I'm pretty sure this is the only add-on I got. And I'm super excited to try it because anything Sunday Riley that I own, I've gotten through IPSY, and I love it. So I had to pick up the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream. Super excited to start trying this out. I'll probably start that this evening. Let's see. And then I have the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. I've gotten a few things from IT Cosmetics in my glam bags before, and I haven't necessarily tried them because they don't really seem like a brand that like grabs my attention. I don't know, I'll try that though. And then I have these are my products from In the Bag now because I want to say that Sunday Riley thing was the only add-on that I got. Then I got the Cream Shop Dear Diary Collagen Berry Plumping Moisturizing Essence Sheet Mask. And a Snowman Story Hyaluronic Acid Glycerin Jeju Mineral Water. Am I pronouncing that right? The Most Hydration Essence Sheet Mask. So it appears to be that I've got two sheet masks. And they're super cute, super Christmassy. I'm a little behind on that, but oh, and the bag is so cute. I was super excited about the bag. I have a whole bag of bags. That would be a fun video showing those. Alright, what is this? Male or Male? It is an eyeshadow. It's from Enchanted Eyeshadow Collection. It's called Quartz. Okay. That's kind of pretty. Let's see. Oh, it's very, very light, very neutrally almost. What else do we have? Oh, I forgot. Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics 3.5 neutral medium brown. Kind of excited to try this, even though I haven't really been using brow products aside from like brow pens and stuff like that to try to get them to be like bushy and fill in any extras. And I have right here, what is this? A lip balm from Beauty For Real in the shade Hannah. Let's see. Y'all, I've had IPSY for 5 years almost, and I don't know, sometimes I get like, oh, that's not super fun this time, but you know, it's a mystery bag. Like, you do get to pick now, to where I don't know if you really got to like when I first started, but I look forward to it every month. Plus the bags are cute. Alright, and it's got a little horse on it, something like that. It doesn't really have a scent. Well, if it does, I can't really smell it because I have lotion on my hands, but that's pretty cute. I'll try it out sometime. And I think that is it for this bag. Yep, that's it. So that is my December IPSY Glam bag. I have one that should be in, let's see, I think they shipped it a couple days ago. So it should be in soon. And I'm planning on getting better about opening my IPSY bags and filming it because I feel like that would be fun. Let me know down below, do you get IPSY? Do you have the IPSY Plus or the like big one? Like, do you get the IPSY little glam bag or the bigger bag or like the big box? Like, I want to know because I really want to like continue to get the bag with the samples plus get one of the other ones, but I don't know. I really don't don't know. Let me know what you get. Let me know if you've tried it. I will have a code for a referral that I do believe it would get you extra points, and it'll get me extra points if you want to use it. I'll have it down below if you want to check it out. It's $10. No, I think it's $12 a month. And you also get to pick add-ons. So like this, I do believe is like a $60 or $80 product. I think I only spent $18 on it. Like $18, okay? Like very decently priced. That's how I've accumulated some Sunday Riley products, because they are a little out of my price range when it comes to skincare or just like cosmetics in general. So the add-ons and IPSY has really made it to where I can try out new skincare stuff. Anyway, if you're interested, I'll have a link down below that you can use. Don't forget to follow me on my other social medias if you're interested in keeping up with my awkward shenanigans. If it's not up already, which I don't think it will be, but pretty soon I'll have a video on this look if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!